Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the fast-changing world of mobility, Renault has always stood for creativity, innovation, and emotion. From the legendary Renault 5 to the avant-garde Esprit and the futuristic scenic vision, the French automaker has never been afraid to imagine what's next. Now, as the automotive industry enters its most transformative decade, Renault unveils a concept that captures the very essence of sustainable mobility, the 2027 Renault Symbioz. The name itself, Symbioz, is more than a badge. It's a philosophy, a symbol of harmony between humans, technology, and the environment. The 2027 Symbioz represents the brand's vision of life on the move, where the car becomes not just transportation, but an intelligent living space, efficient, connected, and emotionally engaging. Visually, the Symbioz embodies Renault's latest design language, merging sleek aerodynamics with a bold, futuristic aesthetic. The body is sculpted for efficiency, every line and curve is functional. At the front, a closed aerodynamic fascia integrates the illuminated Renault Diamond logo, which pulses with light when the vehicle wakes up. Thin LED matrix headlights stretch horizontally, giving the car a confident, high-tech expression. The body proportions are balanced and fluid, with short overhangs, a long wheelbase, and a flowing roofline that emphasizes aerodynamic performance. Renault's designers, led by Gilles Vidal, describe the look as warm technology where sharp edges meet soft transitions to create something that feels both advanced and human. The side profile features flush door handles and active aerodynamic panels that adjust to airflow at speed. The 21-inch wheels use a turbine-style design to channel air smoothly along the body, improving both efficiency and stability. Around the rear, the Symbioz exudes futuristic minimalism. A full-width LED light bar emphasizes the car's stance, while subtle diffusers and integrated vents enhance its aerodynamic balance. The result is a vehicle that feels alive, not overly mechanical, but organic, like something designed to coexist with nature rather than dominate it. Beneath its elegant skin, the 2027 Symbioz is built on Renault's next-generation electric platform, shared with the brand's future midsize lineup. The concept features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, producing the equivalent of 400 horsepower, while using solid-state battery technology for enhanced energy density and reduced weight. Renault claims a range of up to 700 kilometers, almost equals 435 miles, on a single charge, an ultra-fast 800-volt charging capability that can recover 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. But raw numbers aren't the story here, it's the way the Symbioz integrates power, intelligence, and sustainability. The structure incorporates recycled aluminium and natural fibers, with body panels made from plant-based composites. Even the battery casing is designed for circularity, meaning it can be reused or recycled easily at the end of its life. Inside, the Symbioz is unlike any Renault before it. Step through its wide, pillar-free doors and you enter what feels like a lounge on wheels. The cabin design embraces open space, natural light, and tactile materials. A panoramic glass roof stretches the entire length of the car, equipped with smart dimming technology that adjusts transparency according to sunlight and temperature. The dashboard is minimal yet intelligent. A curved OLED display spans the width of the cockpit, integrating driver information, navigation, and entertainment through Renault's latest OpenR Link system powered by Google's ecosystem. The steering wheel retracts during autonomous mode, allowing the driver to relax, while the seats rotate slightly inward to create a more social seating arrangement. Sustainability extends to the smallest details. Upholstery is crafted from recycled fabric and natural wool blends. Floor mats are made from repurposed fishing nets. Every texture feels eco-luxurious, soft, breathable, and durable. The lighting is ambient and adaptive, changing hue and brightness to match driving modes or mood settings. The Symbioz isn't just a car, it's a co-pilot, an intelligent assistant designed to anticipate needs. Using Renault's next-generation AI architecture, it continuously learns from the driver's habits, adjusting seat position, climate, and route planning automatically. The onboard AI can communicate with your home energy system, charging during low-cost hours or feeding power back into the grid through vehicle-to-home (V2H) capability. Renault also envisions the Symbioz as part of a mobility ecosystem, a car that interacts with public transport, city infrastructure, and even pedestrian environments. Its sensors and connectivity allow it to drive semi-autonomously in urban zones, reducing congestion and improving traffic flow. But make no mistake, the Symbioz is still a driver's car. Renault's engineering team has tuned its electric motors and chassis for agility, ensuring the thrill of dynamic driving remains intact. The car's low center of gravity and advanced torque vectoring system deliver precision and confidence through every curve. It's electric mobility with a pulse, a machine that feels alive under your fingertips. As the 2027 Renault Symbioz stands under the lights, it represents more than a concept, it's a declaration. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.